Hello, so my name is Heather Shebeck. My today's date is 8/13/2021. This is for micro 225-012, and we're gonna go ahead and finish or start this lab. So I've already wiped everything off again because I did do my other lab a little bit ago. So I of course wiped off, let it dry. I washed my hands. I went ahead and put this back on. My mask, my gloves, my eye shield, and my apron, and switched put my stuff, my other ones in my incubator. So or incubation. So I've already pre-labeled all of my broths, my pH 5, my pH 7, and then my pH 9. And I have my nutrients. I have my sodium hydroxide and my hydrochloric acid. I'm ready to go ahead and drop alcohol, bleach, my napkins just in case I need napkins. I have my alcohol and my pipette as well. And let's get started. All right. All right, so I'm going to start with my pH 5 nutrients. So I'm just opening my epidermidis pH 5 and my S70VCA pH 5 and cleaning them so I can go ahead and drop my HCl or my hydrochloric acid, which I have here. And I'm just gonna drop one drop. Ooh, this is tough to open. So I'm just gonna take one drop into each of these. All right, and then that's that. And I'm actually just gonna go ahead and just close these up so I can finish off my pH 9. Oh no. Don't do that. All right. Let me fix my pH 7. So my pH 7, I'm actually going to go ahead and skip over these because I don't need to add anything into them except for the broth. Of course, I will need that. So I'm gonna skip over to my pH 9. Open up these for my S. epidermidis. Put these down. And then I already used my HCl. So in my S. epidermidis pH 9, I'm going to add my sodium hydroxide. I'm just putting one drop and then one drop in the next one. That one. And while I have these open, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and do my broth. I'm gonna add my broth into it. So I'm just gonna open this properly. Try to dry it a little bit. And then, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and insert my pipette. I'm going to make sure that I do not touch the sides and just take a little bit out because I'm only gonna need 2 drops. Oh, there we go. And then I'm going to burn this. To make sure I close it. So it's closing this one, and I'm going to go ahead and close my SFBPH 9 since I'm done adding everything into this one. And then I will grab my broth, my Cerevisiae broth, open it. And grab my pipette. I'm going to make sure that I don't touch the sides, of course. I just need a little bit also, just like enough for me to put 2 drops in here. So 1, 2. And then let's close this up. Actually, I'm just gonna leave it open for a second. I'm gonna go ahead and do my Cerevisiae for my page 5 next anyways. So let's just put this up. Start. All right, so I'm gonna put this back in here carefully while this dries. Grab my broth and carefully insert as not to touch the sides. Just take out enough for 2 drops. And then close this on up because I am done with my Cerevisiae. Okay, so I'm gonna set this in here carefully, and I'm going to open my epidermitis. And I'm gonna go ahead and insert 2 drops into that. Close this up. I'm I'm gonna go ahead and finish closing up my S. epidermidis page 5. And then I'm going to take pictures of this and set this in my incubation for 24 hours. Hopefully we have some results and I can go ahead and post that. Thank you.